Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with my Tuesday morning haul. So I'm a little slow at getting this up. I told myself I did not need any more paper, but what did I do? I bought paper because I could not help myself. So I can't find the die cuts with the view. So, Michael's does not carry it anymore. My Joann's carries it. However, I find that I can never find the seasonal ones. So I don't know if they come and they're sold out right away, or my Joann's just isn't getting it. I don't know, but I understand that the ones I got were fairly new stacks. So even if I don't use them this year, I will use them another time. But this is 32 sheets. I believe that there is glitter and other things with this. I love the colors. It's these pinks and blues and reds. It's fantastic. You get a sticker sheet with these, which I think is amazing. And these are all glittered up sticker sheets. You get cut aparts, and just the colors are just really, really amazing. So I got this one. The number for this, it's called Happy Wishes. Happy Wishes. Oh, what is underneath here? Happy Wishes. And the number for this is 2064406, and it's $6.99. And then I also got this one. You can see on the back of here all of these beautiful ones. And this is a red and white Christmas. So it's red, white, and gray. And it's just really lovely. So you do get your sticker sheet in the back, and it's got foiling. So it's just lovely. And you get your cut aparts, houses, and just... I couldn't pass this one up because I loved this. I just thought they did such a great job with the coloring and the foiling and the glitter and everything. So this one's called the Red and White Christmas. Also $6.99, 2064408. It's a premium stack. It says with red and silver foil. And then I also got the Magical Holidays, which I was super happy about getting. And I thought I could fudge it a little bit because some of these I thought I could use for Lily's ballet. I don't know, but it's called Magical Holiday. Unicorns, and so it has a sticker sheet, and it's these beautiful purples and pinks, dancing fairies. Maybe it's supposed to be the Nutcracker. I don't know, but it's super fun and pretty. Unicorns and all of that good stuff. I wanted to share that with you. That's called Magical Holiday, and the number for this is 2064409, and it's $6.99. So let me show you the rest of what I got. Get this one out of the way. I have probably enough paper for 2 lifetimes, but there you go. What are you going to do? So I'm trying not to buy a lot of stuff, so you won't see me go too crazy. But then again, I bought some stuff. I got this Winterberry, and it was $2.99. It's My Mind's Eye. The number for this is 2065569. $2.99. You get a really lovely sticker sheet. It's really pretty plaids and everything. And so this is the front of it. It's 6 sheets of double-sided 12 by 12, plus you get a sticker sheet. And then, man, more Authentique craziness. So Authentique is very expensive. So I'm very excited whenever I can find it at Tuesday morning because I can't afford to buy it. Unless you go to Scrapbook Expo. Sometimes Authentique is there. You can get a good deal there. But $6.99. The number for this is 2039934. It's called Jubilee, and it's like an Easter stack, I guess. So it's like bunnies and chicks and carrots, and very vintagey, very pretty. So got that one. I was super excited about that. And then I also got this one, which is called Companions, and this is their dog set. I can't remember if they had the cat one, but I think there's cats on here. And maybe this is, yeah, it's got cats and dogs. So it's got both. It's kind of cool. So the number for this is 2039935. It's $649. Was the other one $649? Yeah, both $649. I don't know if I said $699. They're $649. Just a good price. So this one is all about your companions, your dogs, your cats. There are some cat things in there as well as dog things. There's a cat. What's nice, though, if you don't have a cat, you have a dog, you know, you can use the other side, which is dog, right? There's cats on this side and dogs on this side, so that's nice. And then you have a cat cut aparts on one side and like dog cut aparts on the other, so it's fun. So got that, really good deal. And then I was hoping that I would see the paper to this, because I did see someone haul this. You know, whatever, but I generally get the chipboard. It's $1.79, which I think is a really good price. It's from My Mind's Eye Jingle All the Way. The number 4 is 2065575. And then I did get the red line tape. I do like to have this on hand because it is nice to use when you're doing boxes, and some things really are better to use this versus, not often, but versus score tape. So it's $1.49. It's called Extreme Tape. It's a home hobby tape, but it's the red line tape. So I did get that. It's not that exciting, but I did find some Bo Bunny Craft dies. Now I saw someone get a die I really wish I could have found, but you know, what are you going to do? But I did get dies that I hadn't seen anyone else haul, that I don't have anything really like it. So first, it's this one called Let's Play. And it's all sports stuff, a little cheerleader megaphone thingy. And then it's like hockey. There's a pennant. You've got your baseball, your soccer, your volleyball, your soccer. I don't know, is that supposed to be a basketball? A football. It's 2057555. It was $5.99. So I was happy to get that. They're really good size balls too. This one, which I just think is fabulous, it's called Fly Away. It's 2057563. It was $6.99 normally, $19.99. You get this really big hot air balloon. You get this smaller one, and then you get these fun clouds. And then I went ahead and got these gears, because sometimes, you know, you need these for backgrounds or other things like that. So why not? So it's called Gearing Up. 2057557. It's $5.99, and that is my Tuesday morning haul. So I'm going to go ahead and start crafting, and I will see you on the next video.